I've got a home Watchdog dual sump pump system, and it's the middle of the night. We're having a lot of rain, a lot of water's coming in here, and the main pump works, but it doesn't turn on. And they said that one of the possible symptoms could be the float valve, which is this guy right here, which I've detached. And I'm going to try and replace it and see if that works. But when I plug in my pump, and the pump works, it'll drain this thing out, but when it gets to the bottom, it will turn off. And I would think this float should flip the switch. But it doesn't. So I'm going to try and replace this in the morning and see what happens. So when you take this off, there's this nut that you have to unloosen when you take it off down when it's on the sump pump. Now, in order to get it off of the bracket, you have to push this little guy down and then just slide the cable. There's this piece right here, this plastic piece. You push the whole thing down, and then that'll allow you to slide the cable off of the bracket, and do the same thing when you put it back in. So when you put the new one in, you'll push that down, slide the cable on, pull this back, and then slide that down and screw it on. So I went to Lowe's this morning and I bought the Basement Watchdog. I've already put it in, but I'm going to show you how I did it. They got them at Lowe's, I got them at Ace Hardware, 39 bucks. This is the universal float switch, dual float switching controller. And it comes with the plug-in and the actual float, which is right there. So I did this pretty easily, and I was able to basically take this off. I unscrewed this piece right here. If you can see it, there's a piece on the top. I unscrewed it, and that allowed me to take the old float switch off, which is right here, and I just put the new one in and screwed it on, and it works. So I am officially a sump pump repairman. It was actually pretty simple. Let's see if we can show it working again. So again, there it goes. So the pump wouldn't turn off. Now it goes. And it gets down, turns off. So that was my problem, it wouldn't turn off before. It's fixed.